time to check out.
Yes.
Yes.
And the sun is finally here
Yes.
after 3 days of nonsense.
Gonna be a nice warm ride for a change. Can appreciate that. I'm gonna miss the dogs though. Yeah. There she is stretching. Alright, doggo. It's time for us to leave, my friend.
She knows.
Oh, they're already sad, I think. They know.
Come, you can leave and then maybe she follows.
Come. Right. Oh, we'll miss you, my friend.
We miss you.
Be this energetic and live long so that we can meet again.
Yeah, maybe we pass here on the end of a trip again, just to say goodbye to you.
Yes, we can do that actually.
Bye bye. Look. Wait for me! No! Don't go without me! Okay,
Look at how beautiful that is.
so we are going! So the factory is closed today.
Yes.
This is the factory. It's closed. Tea garden. I mean, there's tea gardens everywhere in Temi, so it's not the only one.
But we took a stop at the signboard because why not?
So we are in Temi, the main tea garden factory, and we are gonna buy some teas here at the source. It is in discount.
And there are two things to keep in mind. You can either buy the packet stuff, but then there's of course a little bit of extra cost because of the packaging, or you can also buy it loose. So you save a little bit of money because you save the packaging cost. So it's a little bit cheaper for us. But just to give you an idea, this is a half leaf, 250 gram for 220. This is full leaf, 250 gram for 380. But if we buy it directly without the packaging, then it's approximately 180 and approximately 320. So you get more discount. And similarly with the first flush,
फर्स्ट प्लस जो अप्रैल में उगता है सबसे पहले
जी,
वही है
जी. So this is like the first pickings, and this is for
In this-
approximately 450 rupees
यस
for 100 grams. And if you buy it loose, it's only 300 rupees without the packaging. So that's a big big difference. Yeah.
That's 100 grams.
You can actually just, yeah, okay, cool.
Tea. That's this one.
This is
फर्स्ट प्लस
first flush. 420 to
जो सीजन में
450,
सबसे
which is
पहले
300.
जो सीजन में सबसे पहले आता है ना, और इसके पहले प्लॉकिंग नया होता है और इसके बाद में नया होता है
And you need to,
ये ऑटम प्लस
it
Autumn
says,
flush.
मतलब जब नवंबर का महीना अभी तो बंद है ना वैसे अभी अप्रैल में ये आएगा अप्रैल तक हमारा प्लॉकिंग में
we're having some more teas here.
No, that's those are the only ones he had open. So
But these are all black.
no, this is green tea.
Oh.
There's also green tea, which he doesn't have it on loose. So, and these are dips, in case you want. This is another version, the premium tea we saw.
Mm.
ग्रीन टी ऐसा है
Green tea. Ah.
इसका मतलब ये तो मेडिसिन के लिए लेता है कि
जी जी.
इसलिए उसका फ्लेवर इतना अच्छा नहीं रहता है.
It's not like very flavorful in the same because it's mostly medicinal.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between green and black? Green and black is the same tea leaf, but the different preparation, right?
हाँ, एक ही से बनता है लेकिन उसका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मेथड है ना, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज डिफरेंट.
Manufacturer, yeah.
It's different. Okay. ठीक है. You love momos, right?
Yes.
Veg or chicken?
Veg. One veg, one chicken.
एक veg और एक chicken.
We are here in a local Momo store. Look how local. There are so many people.
Momos are here. Comes with soup. Enia is a vegetarian one.
It's nice. It has nice fresh vegetables. This is next doors.
Yeah. Enia got us some desserts.
Yes.
Which one is this? Black Forest?
No, it's like she said some kind of chocolate.
That is so good.
40 rupees, 30 rupees.
Both are very creamy.
Now my turn.
Good cream.
Rest is for me.
Love it. Nope.
So nice. I take the chocolate one.
We are in Ravangla, and that's the Buddha statue, Buddha Park.
Ravangla! So we are here in Ravangla and there's a Buddha park with a huge Buddha statue where you can visit for 50 rupees a head. And we have the turning wheels. Any luck?
Yes, there is a homestay a little bit up. Called Satmil. Yeah, to ask there. Yeah. So, but it's that way, the other way.
How much up?
Not too much, is it? We made it to Pelling. It's 6:30 in the evening and time for dinner.
Everything is almost finished because we were so hungry. But the plan was actually to go lower, but there was no homestays. So we just decided to come to Pelling right away.
We wanted to go to Tashading, but couldn't find a homestay in our budget. So instead, we've come to Pelling. There's a hostel here, Mochilaro Ostello. We're going to explore Pelling and then take it from there. In Sikkim, there are very limited stays. That's a little bit of a challenge. So take a tent if you can. Yeah, that's good advice.
No, it's very pretty. It was a very pretty ride, but very nice houses, and I hoped from everybody, every one of them, that it was a homestay, but it wasn't. So, yeah. Me and Diven are in for an adventure. It's dark, the road is bad. We still need to go 1 kilometer to a place we still don't know something about.
Where exactly is this?
Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my GPS navigating.